Just required to produce a driver's licence.
Oh, so I don't use a driver's license.
Right.
Yeah.
Can I get you to state your full correct name?
I can
please?
show you though. I have this. This is what I use. This is my certificate of competency.
All right. Well, I require to produce your driver's licence.
I don't drive, you see. So that's why I don't use a driver's license. I'm not required to have a driver's
All right.
license.
What's your full name, sir?
So my name is James.
Your full name?
James the Traveller from Macedon, son of Peter and Karen.
Your full name, sir?
That is my full name.
What's the name on your licence?
So I don't have a driver's license. I don't use a driver's license.
Okay. Is this your vehicle?
This is mine, yes.
What
Yeah,
car? What name is this car registered
So
in?
this name is, it's registered in the legal fiction's name.
And who was that?
James.
James who?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
went to the
So that's
Southport
not me.
Magistrate Court yesterday where you were disqualified.
Yeah.
So I'm going to
Okay.
give you notice to appear again today for disqualified driving. Okay?
Okay, but I don't drive. I haven't been
Alright.
driving.
That's all right.
Yeah.
Who drove the car here?
I didn't drive here. I travelled here.
How did the car get here?
I moved it.
You
Yeah.
moved it by controlling the controls of the car?
Yes, that's right.
Thank you, that'll do. Now,
Yeah, I didn't drive it though. Driving is a commercial term.
Okay,
If you do refer to the Black's Law Dictionary, you can find the definition, and that's the code of conduct that you work under.
okay.
That's the legislation.
All right,
And
that's
so, like, if you're working as a taxi driver or a truck driver, when you're engaged in commerce, right, then you are a driver. But because I'm not doing that, then I'm travelling.
Okay.
That's the technical
All right,
terms.
well, the notice to
Yeah,
appear
yeah.
I'm going to give you is for driving, and you can explain to the magistrate you are travelling.
Okay, I'll write them a letter and sort it out.
James, this is a notice to appear for you to appear at the Complexities Magistrates Court on the 6th of February next year.
Yep.
8:30 in the morning. Allegation is 12:47 p.m. today. Buchanan Road,
Yeah.
Morayfield. You're a disqualified driver.
Yeah. Yep.
If you don't appear on that day, a warrant can be issued for your arrest.
Yep.
You need to be in a position on that day to enter a plea of guilty or not guilty. So you need to get legal advice before the court and get some legal advice. You understand that you can't drive because the court's disqualified you?
Well, I don't understand anything.
They're not issuing a permit for you to move the vehicle.
Why not?
So, because they don't have to.
Well, but why though? Beyond
Because-
they don't have to. Why would they not?
They don't have to. I'm only here to deal with the licence details.
Yeah. Okay.
They're dealing with the registration events,
Yeah.
and they've chosen not to issue a permit for you to move the vehicle. So
Oh, just what? Why though? But why have they chosen not to? Do you
I'm
know?
dealing with the
Or
licence events. They're dealing with the registration events.
okay.
So
So who do you mean, Matt? That man there?
whoever issued the infringements for the registration
Yeah, yeah.
is the one you want to talk to about that.
Yeah.
But they don't
Okay.
have to give you a permit to move the car.
Yeah. Well, yeah. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to be standing here. We do things because we want to do them.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, do you
Yeah.
understand you cannot drive?
Well, I don't drive.
You're disqualified
yeah.
for a month?
Yeah. I don't drive. Yeah.
You
That's
can't-
why I was trying to
All right,
educate
well,
you about the technical term of that
I'm
because
not-
I haven't actually been
I'm
driving.
not interested in your theory about driving.
No, it's not
and
theory,
travelling.
it's fact. It's
Okay.
objective. Like,
Alright.
if I'm going to speak in theory, I'll let you know, but
Okay.
this isn't theory.
All right.
Yeah. I thought, as someone who works as a public servant,
Yes.
maintaining the peace, you'd want to be educated about what is truth and what is fiction. And driving, that is a commercial practice.
Right.
Do you want to look it up? Look it up on your phone, on Black's Laws Dictionary right now.
Did you
Can
know
show
that
you.
the Transport Operations Road Use Management Act has its own dictionary?
Sure.
That defines
And
drive?
do you know the Criminal Code Act 1899 is a superior act to the Police Powers and Responsibility Act and the Road Transport Management Use Act?
Well, it's not, because they
1899.
deal with different offences.
Well, it's a higher code. That's where they get their
deal with
jurisdiction from.
The
Yeah,
police
but it's
powers
still But offences, the definition of offence is in the Criminal Code Act, and that is a superior piece of legislation. That is the code
All right, mate,
where.
I'm not going to.
Oh, it's just that you don't know this. You should know this stuff.
I'm not
this
going
is some basic
to
stuff.
negotiate with you about.
Oh, it's
what
not
is and what
negotiating,
isn't.
it's just discussing
I'm just
your
making sure
legislation.
that you know that you cannot
Yes.
drive a car until your disqualification finishes.
Yeah, I don't drive.
Now, if you
no.
don't appear on that
No,
day,
no.
they can issue a warrant for your arrest.
Yeah,
You
I'll
understand
sort that out. Yeah.